Is it the right time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Broadcom as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, Broadcom has exceeded our expectations, delivering a gain of 16.27% since our initial recommendation to buy the stock 4 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 4.07% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Due to recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken through a strong upward trend and is showing signs of an even stronger rate of growth. If there is any pullback, support is expected at the previous trend level of $1,034.07, which could provide a second opportunity for a successful trade. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $1,154.27, which may prove difficult to break on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 18.45% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.95% to 14.23%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant 73.36% change over the next year, with a potential return between 47.05% and 69.59%. This means the stock price could range from $1,576.80 to $1,818.44 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Broadcom brings some positive news. The stock had a green day on Tuesday, with a gain of 4.18%. On the last trading day, Tuesday, December 12, 2023, the Broadcom stock price rose from $1,029.24 to $1,072.28. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $1,024.58 and a high of $1,079.39, showing a 5.35% change. Overall, there has been a 13.31% gain in the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 985,000 shares, with a total of 9 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.39 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may be an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,079.39, while the lowest price was $540.92. Currently, the stock is trading at 0.66% below its 52-week high, which is $1,079.39. This is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, December 11, 2023, B. Riley downgraded Broadcom to a neutral grade. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Broadcom a hold grade with a neutral rating. On Monday, December 11, 2023, B. Riley Securities upgraded Broadcom to a buy grade. On Friday, December 8, 2023, Cowen and Company rated Broadcom as market perform with a neutral stance. On Friday, December 8, 2023, Summit Insights Group upgraded Broadcom to a buy grade. Analysts have rated Broadcom stock as a strong buy. They have given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $958.40 and $925.90. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 18.66%. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is identified. It's worth noting that despite the stock's price increase, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock's performance. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is giving a sell signal. The pivots indicator showed a buy signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom currently finds support from accumulated volume at $1,029.24. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. In terms of daily movements, this stock has an average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $54.81 between its high and low, which represents a 5.35% variation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.54%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Broadcom. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Broadcom has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often seen in companies with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, Broadcom's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 29, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Broadcom. We don't see any major resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could make significant upward movements if the right conditions align. This presents an opportunity to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $1,029.24. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the near future. According to multiple analyst sources, Broadcom has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E purchased 179,400 shares of common stock, valued at $0.001 per share. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E sold 84,561 shares of common stock, valued at $0.001 per share. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E sold 15,757 shares of common stock, valued at $0.001 per share. On November 3, 2023, Calwas Charlie B purchased 35,880 shares of common stock, valued at $0.001 per share. On November 3, 2023, Calwas Charlie B sold 17,790 shares of common stock, valued at $0.001 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 43.783. Overall, insiders have bought 1,914,949 shares and sold 833,442 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $1,038.40, which represents a decrease of 3.16%. This particular stock has moderate daily movements, which means it carries a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was detected 4 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Although Broadcom holds several positive signals, we don't believe it is currently a strong contender for a buy. Instead, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate, meaning you should hold or accumulate shares while keeping an eye on further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. As for trading on Wednesday, December 13th, we anticipate Broadcom to open with a decrease of $13.53, starting at $1,058.75. Before we dive into today's video, let's start with an important reminder. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us does not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We value your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. May your trading be prosperous, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.